Hi friends, let's start with day 2 of area related circles. Without much further ado, we are just straight away going to question number 9. I'm reading out the question. A brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle, right? So there is a brooch, it's made with a silver wire in the form of a circle, right? With diameter 35 meters. So net this is the shape that has been made with a wire of diameter 35 meter. Now what is also done is that this wire is also used to make 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors, right? So 5 diameter, एक ये हुआ, दूसरा ये हुआ, तीसरा ये हुआ, चौथा ये हुआ, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more. We can just use anything like this, right? So that's what it is. Actually, it's not very equal what I've made, right? It doesn't look equal at all. It's supposed to be equal. These are supposed to be equal sectors. फिर से बनाए क्या? या आप समझ गए मेरी भावना को? Hopefully आप मेरी भावना को समझ गए हो. मेरी ड्राइंग पे मत जाओ, मेरी भावनाओं पे जाओ. These are all equal sectors. They are made in your books. Class 10 CBSE NCERT chapter 11 exercise 11.1 उसको रेफर कर लेना. Okay. I was just for a second I was like मैंने कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग भी दबाया है कि नहीं. ठीक है. So ये एक 35 मीटर का एक वायर लिया, उससे उसने एक सर्कल बनाया और उसी 35 मीटर के डायमीटर से ऐसे ठक 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 करके 5 सेक्टर्स बनाए. So पहला क्वेश्चन ये है, find the total length of the silver wire used. Find the total length of silver wire used. I'm speaking in both English and Hindi. For all my audiences, I'm comfortable in speaking in Hindi and English both. I have studied in English medium school, so I know all the English terms used for all these subjects. But I also speak Hindi, so I switch to Hindi now and then. But it's not like I'm only speaking in Hindi and I'm only speaking in English. And I hope that all parts of India, people from all over India who have enrolled to CBSE are able to understand my chapters. I wish my face is up here. I don't know why it's not. Should I just record somewhere like अलग से यहाँ सामने और उसको यहाँ डाल दूँ? पता नहीं कैसा लगेगा. अपना एक जुगाड़ सा फेस रिकॉर्डिंग करूँ. Screen recording plus face recording plus screen plus camera. I'm just saying terms out here. Sorry, beg your pardon. See, I need to make it fun also, right? I don't want to make it a robotic teaching here. Okay? Chalo. Coming back to the question. So, find the total length of the silver wire used. So, as I said, the silver wire is first used to make a circle of this diameter, right? So, 2 pi r तो हो ही गया. Circumference. उसके बाद 10 ऐसे करके ठक 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 करके वो बनाए गए. 10 नहीं, actually 5. I don't know why I'm saying 10. It's 5. So 5 के ऐसे बनाए गए. तो 5 into r, actually 5 into 2r because it's the diameter. ये पूरा ना जुगाड़ू तरीके से मैंने थोड़ा सा किया है कुछ. Just trying to explain to you guys what I'm trying here. So this is that circle. So ये जो 5 है ना, ये blue line एक हुआ, ये orange line दूसरा हुआ, ये पिंक लाइन तीसरा हुआ, ये ग्रीन लाइन चौथा हुआ, एंड ये 5वां येलो लाइन. सो दीज 5 लाइन्स, राइट, ब्लू, ऑरेंज, पिंक, green and yellow, these represents the 5 diameters that have been made, which divides this circle into 10 equal parts, right? So in terms of length, it is simply that this is entire thing is a diameter, right? So I say 5m. So this is the answer of the first question. So let's find out what is this, right? What is 2 pi r? 22 into 22 by 7 into diameter is 35, right? So 35 by 2 plus 5 into 35, right? Second question. Now it asks about area of each sector of the brooch. This area. So what is this each sector? So you have to first find this angle. Now 360 is the entire angle. Divided into 10 parts, 36 degree will be each part. So what is the area? 36 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square, just 35 by 2, 35 by 2, right? 10 हो गया ये. 5 जा 5 2, sorry 5 2, 2 जा 11 जा, right. So this is the answer. निकाल लोगे ना? What should be the answer? I had found it on my notebook, but I'm somehow like not. पूरा तैयारी करके आज मैं क्लास कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? And now I'm all over the place. I don't know why that is. Let me just do this again. 36 by 360. तैयारी का मतलब मैंने लिटरली सारे क्वेश्चंस अपनी नोटबुक में सॉल्व करके यहाँ रखे हैं. I've solved each and every question in my notebook out here, which I'm going to teach here. And I thought I'll just be going directly. Instead, this is what's happening. Anyways, चलो यार तुम्हारे सामने solve करके देती. मुझे I don't know why I have this flex of solving in front of you, and I also want to do it like in one go. यही तो किया था यार ऊपर भी. 35, 385, 385 divided by 4, which is what? 96.25. That's the answer. All right. Let's do question number 10. Now, in question number 10, it says that an umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. So this is again the question, it's in your notebooks, in your books. So this is how we're assuming that when the umbrella is flat out, it's a circle of radius 45 centimeter. And it has 8 ribs, right? Equally spaced. Hopefully this is slightly better than the one which I made earlier. So these are equally spaced. It's not, but I am going to assume it is. Okay. Now you have to find, the radius. Radius is 45. These are basically net आपके 360 by 8 के angle पे डाल रखा है हमने, right? Which is what? 45 degrees, right? This each is 45 degrees. है कि नहीं? 45 degrees है एक. Question is find the area between 2 consecutive ribs. Net ये segment का area मांग रहे हैं. They are trying to find out the area of the segment, which is 45 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 45 into 45. This is the answer. Right. So what does that come out to be? 129 za, not 9 za yaar, 15. 6 za, right? 6 or 8? 8. 4 za, 11 za, नीचे 28 हो गया. Now 45 square क्या है? 25, 4 5 za 22, 0225 into 11. कैसे किया मैंने फास्ट? आई होप यू नो द ट्रिक, राइट? ऐसे नंबर्स का 45 स्क्वायर, कोई भी 5 से एंडिंग नंबर्स, एनी नंबर विच इज एंडिंग विद 5, हाउ डू यू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर? ओके, लेट मी segue into that. X is one first digit, 5, it's ending with 5. How do you find out the square? 5, you write 5 square, this is a shortcut. You write 5 square and then you multiply x into x plus 1 and insert in front of it. So for example, 45 square, write 25 and 4 5s are 20, so write 20. That's the answer. Now the next part is, now anything multiplied by 11, simply I write it like this. Right? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गलत है ये. Trying to again be flexy out here. 2025 इतने आगे नहीं जाता है, इतने में ही रह जाता है. 2 2 2. So what is the answer? 2 2275 divided by 8. 8 or what? 28. This is the answer. You can further make it a fraction also. You can leave it also. Your textbook has decided to leave it. I would suggest that you sort of show it at least up to 2 decimal places. That's what my suggestion is. Let's move on to question number 12. Now question number 12 states that there is a lighthouse, okay, which spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degrees. This is the circle, and this is the sector. Angle is 80. This angle is 80 degree. It's spreading a light like this, 80 degree, and to a distance of 16.5. That means the radius is 16.5. Find the area of the sea over which ships are worn. Basically 80 by 360, 22 by 7, 16.5, 16.5. Either you can use it 20. In this question they have said that don't use 22.7, use 3.14. Okay. ठीक है. Right? This is what it is. 6.28 into 5.5 का square. What is 5.5 का square? Similarly, जैसे मैंने पहले दिखाया, इसका square 25. 5 into 6, 30. So this is what we have to multiply. 6.28 into 30.25, which is coming as 189.97 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लो आप. ठीक है, तो ऐसा आंसर आना चाहिए आपका. ये नहीं कि आप बीच में छोड़ के रखा हुआ है. My suggestion is to simply to have this answer. Right? Let's move on to the next question. Here what's happened is they have said that there is a circle like this, and net there is a hexagon. It's like there's a hexagon here. I'm trying my best to draw it. षटकोण है ये. I mean I like the word, that's why I'm using it. षटकोण बोलते हैं हिंदी में, even though I'm not well versed, as I said. Oh wow, not bad. So किसका एरिया चाहिए इनको? इसका, इन segments का. So question says a round table cover has 6 equal design as shown in this. So these are like certain designs. यहाँ पे ऐसे करके designs हैं. And radius of the cover is 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the design at the rate of 0.35 net 0.35 per centimeter square. ये जो डिजाइन बनाने का. So क्या करना है हमको? 6 into area of these segment, area of the segment, right? वो हमको निकालना है और फिर उसको into 0.35 करना है. कर लोगे, हो जाएगा. मुझे नहीं लगता इसमें कोई एक भी छोटी चीज़ है जो डिफिकल्ट है, बट ठीक है, हम आपको सॉल्व करके दिखाते हैं. आए हो आप चैनल में तो देखने ही आए हो कि कैसे सॉल्व होता है. सो व्हाट इज द एरिया ऑफ द सेगमेंट? एरिया ऑफ द सेगमेंट इज एरिया ऑफ द सेक्टर माइनस एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. ये कौन से सेक्टर और कौन सी ट्राइंगल की बात कर रही हूँ मैं? लेट्स कम बैक हियर. सॉरी, ये हो गया आपका. एक को ले लेते हैं हम, ठीक है. तो ये जो है मैंने ओ यहाँ लिख दिया. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आइडियली इट शुड बी O and A. So area of sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. ये जो है ना, ऐसे करके आपके 6 ऐसा है, 6 वो सेक्टर्स हैं, राइट? है ना, 6 दिख रहे हैं आपको यहाँ पे. There are 6 such sectors present here, right? So what do you have to do? We have to just find out for for one of these sector. Arey yaar, why is my pen not getting selected? For one sector, and we will multiply it by 6. Basically we need to find out इसका area. एक का पता कर लो और उसको 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. एक का पता करो, find out for one segment and multiply it by 6. So what is the area of the sector? So for finding the area of the sector, you need to find out this angle as well. Now how many? I said 6, right? So these are 6 equal sectors. Total 360 है. यानी कि हर एक sector is 360 by 6, 60 degree. So this is the angle. If this is 60 degree, it's quite obvious this is 30 and this is 30. It's similar to the question which we did yesterday, right? So let's do it. 60 by 360 into 22 by 7 into radius कितना बताया था? 28 into 28. एकदम बाहर ना, you know ना, 6 into 0.35 आएगा एकदम बाहर. You know that, right? Now area of the triangle, half base into height. ठीक है? Now this is the triangle. This is 60 degree, this is 30, this is 30, right? This is the radius. So obviously when we draw a perpendicular, it bisects it. Congruent triangles, which we studied yesterday, right? These two are congruent triangles. How? By RHS congruency. Right angle triangle, common side and one's hypotenuse equal. So that means it's divided in equal ratios. So what is this base? Sine of 30. Sine of 30 is height upon hypotenuse, which is 28. Cos of 30 is, this is the base b by 28. तो यहाँ पे हमको हाइट और बेस करना है. यहाँ पे एक्चुअली 2b है, राइट? बेस इज 2b. So 2 into 28 cos of 30, right? Just rubbing this off because this cos 30, and what is the height? 28 sine of 30. This is what you have to solve for, what I have just shown here. This is what you have to solve for, and you will get your answer.
So that was the end of this chapter. Till then, like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.